Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ram's Lexicon, the channel where we learn English through famous books, inspiring stories, and powerful ideas. Today, we are going to explore one of the most popular self-help books in the world, Ikigai. Have you ever asked yourself these questions? Why do I wake up every morning? What is the purpose of my life? How can I become happy and successful? Why do some people live long and joyful lives? If you have ever wondered about these questions, then today's episode is for you. The word Ikigai comes from Japan. It means a reason for being, or the reason why you wake up in the morning. This beautiful philosophy has helped many Japanese people live longer, healthier, and happier lives. In today's podcast, we will not only understand the lessons of this amazing book, but also improve our English listening, speaking, vocabulary, and comprehension skills. So, sit comfortably, relax your mind, and let's begin our journey toward discovering R.O. Part 1. The Story of Okinawa. Imagine a beautiful island in Japan called Okinawa. The island is surrounded by blue oceans, green mountains, and peaceful villages. People there are famous for something extraordinary. They live longer than almost anyone else in the world. Many people in Okinawa live beyond 100 years of age. But what is their secret? Is it medicine? Is it wealth? Is it luck? The authors of Ikigai traveled to Okinawa to discover the answer. What they found was surprising. The people of Okinawa don't retire from life. They continue working, helping others, gardening, teaching, and creating until the very end of their lives. They wake up every morning with excitement because they know exactly why they are alive. That reason is called Ikigai. English vocabulary practice, word meaning extraordinary, very special. Discover, to find something. Purpose, reason or goal. Journey, a long trip or experience. Excitement, a feeling of happiness and energy. Repeat after me. Extraordinary, discover purpose, journey, excitement, excellent. Part 2. What is Ikigai? According to Japanese philosophy, Ikigai exists at the intersection of 4 important questions. Ask yourself, 1. What do you love? Maybe you love teaching, writing, singing, drawing, reading, or helping people. 2. What are you good at? Perhaps you are good at communication, leadership, creativity, sports, or learning. 3. What does the world need? The world needs teachers, doctors, lawyers, scientists, artists, and kind human beings. 4. What can you be paid for? This question helps us build a career and survive financially. When these 4 areas come together, you discover your Ikigai. Many people spend their entire lives searching for happiness outside themselves. But according to the philosophy of Ikigai, happiness comes from finding meaning within ourselves. Part 3. The Secret of Long Life. The people of Okinawa follow several habits that help them live long and healthy lives. Let's explore them one by one. Habit number 1. Stay active. People in Okinawa never completely stop working. Even at the age of 90 or 100, they continue gardening, walking, teaching, and helping others. Activity gives meaning to life. As the book says, only staying active will make you want to live 100 years. This teaches us an important lesson. Never stop learning, never stop growing, never stop contributing. Habit number 2. Don't eat too much. The Okinawan people follow a principle called hara hachibu. It means eat until you are 80% full. They avoid overeating and prefer simple, nutritious food. Their diet mainly includes vegetables, fruits, fish, soy products, green tea. Because of these habits, they remain healthy and energetic. Habit number 3. Build strong friendships. The people of Okinawa believe in community. They create lifelong friendship groups called moai. These friends support each other emotionally, financially, and socially. When people face problems, they don't suffer alone. They have friends who help them. This reminds us that true wealth is not money. True wealth is meaningful relationships. English speaking practice. Repeat these sentences. I want to discover my purpose. Happiness comes from meaningful work. Strong friendships make life better. Learning never stops. I believe in continuous growth. Part 4. Flow, the secret of happiness. The book introduces another important concept called flow. Flow is a mental state where you become completely absorbed in an activity. Have you ever experienced this? Maybe while reading a book, playing a sport, painting, writing, studying, creating videos. When you're in flow, you forget time. Hours feel like minutes. You become fully focused. According to psychologists, flow creates happiness because it allows us to use our skills in meaningful ways. The happiest people are not necessarily the richest. They are the people who experience flow regularly. So ask yourself, what activity makes me forget time? That activity may be connected to your Ikigai. Part 5. Never retire from learning. One of the most powerful lessons in this book is that learning never ends. Many people believe education finishes after school or college, but the people of Okinawa disagree. They continue learning throughout their lives. They learn new skills, new languages, new hobbies, new ideas. Learning keeps the brain active. It keeps curiosity alive. It keeps life exciting. As students, professionals, or creators, we should never stop asking questions, because the moment we stop learning, we stop growing. Part 6. Finding your passion. Imagine a young boy who loves reading books. Everyone tells him that reading is just a hobby, but he continues reading every day. Years later, he becomes a writer, a teacher, or a successful educator. Why? Because he followed his passion. Passion alone is not enough. Talent alone is not enough. Money alone is not enough. True success happens when passion, skill, service, and income work together. That is Ikigai. So today, ask yourself, what do I enjoy? What am I good at? How can I help people? How can I build a career from it? Write your answers. Your journey toward discovering your purpose begins with these questions. Part 7. The power of small steps. Many people fail because they want instant success. But the philosophy of Ikigai teaches us another lesson. Take small steps. In Japanese culture, there is a concept called Kaizen, which means continuous improvement. Improve yourself every day. Not by 100%, not by 50%. Even 1% improvement every day can transform your life. For example, learn 5 new English words daily. Read 10 pages every day. Exercise for 15 minutes. Practice speaking English for 20 minutes. Small actions create big results. Success is not built in one day. Part 8. Dealing with failure. Everyone experiences failure. Students fail exams. Businesses fail. Athletes lose competitions. Creators receive criticism. But failure is not the end. Failure is a teacher. The people who succeed are not those who never fail. They are the people who continue despite failure. The book reminds us that purpose gives us strength during difficult times. When you know why you are doing something, you become stronger. You become more patient. You become more determined. Remember, your failures do not define you. Your response to failure defines you. Part 9. How to find your own Ikigai. Let's do a simple exercise together. Take a notebook and write 4 questions. Question 1. What do I love doing? Question 2. What am I good at? Question 3. What does society need from me? Question 4. What can provide me with income? Now, look for the common points. That common area may become your purpose. Remember, finding your purpose is not a race. It is a journey. Some people discover it at 18. Some discover it at 40. Some discover it at 70. The important thing is to continue searching. Part 10. Lessons for Students. If you are a student, here are 5 lessons from IKIGAI. Lesson 1. Study with purpose. Lesson 2. Never compare yourself with others. Lesson 3. Keep improving every day. Lesson 4. Take care of your physical and mental health. Lesson 5. Find happiness in learning itself. Success is not only about marks. Success is about becoming the best version of yourself. Conclusion. Today we learned that happiness is not found in money, fame, or power alone. True happiness comes from having a purpose, helping others, building meaningful relationships, continuing to learn, enjoying the journey of life. The people of Okinawa have taught us one simple truth: a meaningful life becomes a long and happy life. So tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself one question: why do I wake up every morning? The answer to that question may lead you to your Ikigai. Thank you for joining today's English Learning Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to practice these new English words, repeat the sentences aloud, and share your thoughts in the comments. This is Ram's Lexicon, helping you learn English through the world's greatest books. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep searching for your Ikigai.